Hello friends, this is Mahesh Ulikar and you are watching Next Gen Maths. If you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. In this video, we are going to discuss the problem of CSI NET November 2020 problem of real analysis. Question: let n equal to 1, 2, 3 be the set of natural numbers. Which of the following function from n cross n to n are injective? We have given four options. First option, f1 equal to 2 power m 3 power n. f2 equal to mn plus m plus n, f3 equal to m square plus n cube, f4 equal to m square into n cube. If you want most of this solution, then please visit our website www.nextgenmaths.com. In the description, link is available. It is a problem of injective function, so we begin with the definition of injective function. A function f from a to b is said to be injective or one to one if f of a equal to f of b implies a equal to b. That means image of two numbers are equal, then the number must be equal. Or if a not equal to b, then f of a not equal to f of b. That means if numbers are not equal, then image must not be equal. Any function which satisfy this condition will be the injective function. We have given four options and we will check all the options one by one. So first option, f1 mn equal to 2 power m 3 power n. Suppose f1 m1 n1 equal to f1 m2 n2. That means image of two numbers are same. By the definition, it is 2 power m1 3 power n1 equal to 2 power m2 3 power n2. If we simplify, then we have 2 power m1 divided by 2 power m2 equal to 3 power n2 divided by 3 power n1. Now, it is 2 power m1 minus m2 equal to 3 power n2 minus n1. Left hand side is a power of 2, so it will give the even number, and right hand side is a power of 3, so it will give the odd numbers. They are not equal except m1 minus m2 equal to 0 and n2 minus n1 equal to 0. That means m1 equal to m2 and n2 equal to n1, which will give m1 n1 equal to m2 n2. Here we begin with that image of m1 n1 and m2 n2 are equal, and here we show that numbers are also equal. That means m1 n1 equal to m2 n2. So this is a 1 1 function, or you can say injective function. Therefore the option number 1 is the correct option. Now we are going to check second option, f2 mn equal to mn plus m plus n. Now it is a symmetric function in m and n. That means f2 mn equal to f2 nm. Therefore, f2 1 2 and f2 2 1 have the same image, which is 5. But 1 2 not equal to 2 1. That means we have two numbers which are not equal, but their images are equal. Therefore, it is not an injective function. So option number 2 is the wrong answer. Now option number 3 and 4, we will check both the option at the same time. So option 4 has function f4 mn equal to m square into n cube. We begin with the assumption f4 m1 n1 equal to f4 m2 n2. Therefore, we have m1 square into n1 cube equal to m2 square into n2 cube. If we rewrite, then m1 square divided by m2 square equal to n2 cube divided by n1 cube. Then you can rewrite in the form of m1 divided by m2 square equal to n2 divided by n1 cube. That means if we are able to find two number in which square of one equal to cube of another, and we have example 8 square equal to 4 cube. 8 square equal to 64 and 4 cube is also 64. Therefore, m1 equal to 8 m2 and n2 equal to 4 n1. Now if we take m2 equal to 1, n1 equal to 1, then m1 equal to 8 and n2 equal to 4. Therefore, m1 n1 equal to 8 1 and m2 n2 equal to 1 4. So image of f4 8 1 equal to 64 and image of f4 1 4 is also 64. So we are able to find two numbers which are not equal but their images are equal. So it also violates the condition of injective function. Therefore, option number 4 will not give the injective function. So option number 4 is the wrong answer. Now, the same numbers will work for the option number 3. So f3 mn, which is m square plus n cube, if we take image of f3 8 1 and f3 1 4, will we give the 65, but 8 1 not equal to 1 4. So f3 is not an injective function. Therefore, option number 3 and option number 4 are the wrong option. Therefore, there is only one correct option, f1 mn equal to 2 power m 3 power n. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon of Next Gen Maths.